Hello and welcome back to our shipping container build series. This weekend we are going to try and stud up an entire shipping container, which means installing 5 windows, 1 door, 2 vents, the subfloor, and all of the studs we need to basically finish out the insulation. This is the container we're working with. It is a 20-foot regular shipping container. It's in pretty good condition. Master Carpenter Noah, and yeah, we'll see how far we get. All right, the last floor we put in took about 2 days. We got this one in under an hour, and honestly, I think it's better. R value of 10. I was trying to be all natural with the other floor, but this works better, to be honest, especially since we have a foot less of space. And now we're gonna get our door framed in. All right, Dana and Max just got here to take a look at the shipping container for the first time.
Let's see. Oh my gosh. This is crazy.
Come on in.
Wow. It looks so good. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. This frame looks really good. It's all strong? Crazy.
Nice.
You actually can see more out of like the side ones than I thought you would be able to.
Yeah.
Like there's still a view. Wow. So we're gonna do the pantry here then? Mm-hmm. Bathroom there.
Your new home.
Frey is so in shock. It looks so good.
This container was more of a challenge because it was so beat up that the like steel wasn't straight.
Oh yeah, like
So-
that one had to be crooked.
Yeah. It didn't have to be crooked, it just is crooked because what else?
Wow,
There's one
this
window
is
missing,
so
but otherwise
crazy. Did you already seal the door?
what, like a unibrow from
I know, that's what I'm saying. Yesterday.
welding.
No, the door isn't sealed.
Freya, come.
My frame.
Is
Yeah.
that funny? Freya, come on. Core.
Imagine if they were always open. A playground for her.
It looks amazing. I'm so impressed. It's cool that you can see your whole top and like right through the window.
I know, that was my framing on purpose. And I framed this window over here so
Yeah.
that you could see the Mediterranean shipping.
On which one? Oh, sweet. It looks really good.
It's a beautiful, cold, dry morning at the shipping container build site. And I think it's like 15 degrees Fahrenheit, but it might warm up a little bit later. Today, we are going to be getting all of the windows fully installed, not sealed, but placed. And hopefully we'll finish the framing on the entire interior of the container, get the door installed, and if there's time, we'll add one more window, but we'll see. It's really, really cold, so it means we have to take a couple breaks to warm up. It's gonna be, I think, the most satisfying day on the container build so far. All right, the door is in. It doesn't close perfectly. We're gonna need to sand it just a teeny bit, but for our first fiberglass style door, I think it's pretty good. And it looks really nice. I'm really happy I got one with a window. Also, getting fiberglass instead of steel was way easier, so much lighter, and I think it will actually insulate a lot better as well. It's 4:30 on Monday afternoon. Noah and I got started on this project Friday afternoon. It's been a very long weekend. The door needs to be fixed a little bit, but look at everything we got done. This is unreal. We framed an entire shipping container. We have 1 window, 2 window, 3 window, 4 window, and a door all in. All that's missing is to level and secure the windows, seal them up, add 1 more window. I feel like shipping container number 2 is a lot sturdier than the first one. We learned a lot of lessons on how to build it. And I feel like by the time we get to the 3rd one, things are gonna be going very smoothly. Thank you, Noah, for a huge weekend.
No worries. Anytime.
Oh my gosh, there's a door. Max. Yummy, yummy. Let's go in. It looks so good in here. I'm like totally in shock. And this is like a very dark day and it's still light out. Like
Right?
light in here, yeah. This window is beautiful. Wow, this is so cool.
There's gonna be 1 window over there, and then potentially we could do a skylight if we find that the roof in between the 2 containers makes these 2 windows super dark.
It's not like so bad to do it like after.
It's not great.
Yeah. My gosh, it's so nice. I can actually envision like we can have a sink here, maybe put like an L countertop here so there's room for chopping. It's so impressive.
Good girl.
Freya, what do you think? I feel like she's confused by these faces.
Pretty cool, huh?
I'm really, really impressed.
And the really cool thing about this container, Max, is that this window opens, this window opens, and that window opens. And the front window I'm gonna install opens as well, so it'll be possible to get a ton of fresh air in here.
That's actually really nice. Do any open in the bed? Yeah, the one opens in the bedroom. That's
Yeah.
good. I like the placement a lot of the windows. And they look so nice.
Right? Isn't that
It's
a
like
beautiful
crazy
space?
to like envision actually being here,
Yeah.
you know? It hasn't been that long, but it feels like it's been long.
Yeah.
Max, you might learn to walk right here. You ready? Let's see it. Boom, 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 boom. Ready? You ready to walk?
I feel like this container is like 70% done.
It really like flew together.
Right? 1 long weekend.
Your papa's a genius. Mwah. Yeah, I agree.
Thanks, buddy. Rawr.
That's a fun toy.